All right, statement of proportionality. They want us from A to B. That means when I set up my statement of proportionality, A is going to be on top, B is going to be on the bottom. Okay, oops, there's 4 sides. All right, so if I start labeling them, my colors, I think that's too dark. I should have done yellow. It doesn't look cute, but whatever. Okay, I want from A to B, so that means this is going to be big over small, right? The A figure is a larger size rectangle. Okay, if I set this up, you want to stay in order. You want to commit. So green, it would be 3 over X, 6 over Y, 3 over Z, and 6 over 2. And so you want to keep that order. Okay, how do you solve a statement of proportionality? What it is that sometimes you can have variables on the top, sometimes you can have variables on the bottom, and that's where the cross product property comes in. Okay, one of your factors is always going to be the most important factor, the most important ratio, the most important fraction. It's the one that has 2 numbers because they're telling you what the scale factor is. So which one is my most important fraction or ratio? What is it? 6 over 2. Perfect. Okay, this right here is my scale factor, and you could even see it here and here. See how they're organized? Like left goes with left, top goes with top, right goes with right, bottom goes with bottom. You can even see it that way. Bye, ladies. All right, so this is my scale factor. If you were to reduce it, 6 divided by 2 is 3. That means A is 3 times as big as B. Or B is 3 times as small as A. Okay, how do you find your unknowns? Okay, this is the correct way. Remember, this is like textbook, proper way, even though you guys can probably solve it in your head. If this is my statement of proportionality, and I want to know, whoops, it's a 6. I want to know what my variables are. How do I solve for my variables? I set them equal to my scale factor. Now, you could use the 6 over 2, or if you wanted to, you could have reduced it to 3 and set all of these equal to 3 instead. That's up to you. Okay, what's the cross product property? You can multiply diagonally. So what's 3 times 2? 6. What's x times 6? 6x. Divide by 6. And I get 1. How do I solve for y? Take my y ratio and set it equal to my scale factor ratio. And now cross product property. Elijah, Josh. Okay, so now cross product. What's 6 times 2? 12. What's 6 times y? 6y. Divide by 6, and y is equal to 2. Here, multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times z is 6z. Divide by 6, and z is 1. Okay, this is the correct way of solving it because we're going to set you guys up, practice, 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 so we get to trig. Can you do it a lot faster in your head? Yeah, right. Especially once you realize, if I'm looking at this and I realize that my sides are correlating. X goes with 3, y to 6, z to 3, 2 to 6. So if you see, oh wait, 6 over 2 is 3. My scale factor is 3. So then what is 3 divided by 3? 1. What's 6 divided by 3? 2. What is 3 divided by 3? 1. And you can find your answers that way, which I solved them here correctly formally. Okay, let me stop the video and then I'm gonna do 6 the triangle. Okay.